In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove animation in Canva. If you've added movement to a design and now want a clean, static look, maybe for printing, exporting as a simple image, or creating a calmer presentation, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly what to do. Start by opening the Canva project where the animation currently exists. Give the page a second to load so all your elements appear, and make sure you're on the correct page within the project if you have multiple pages. Now, click directly on the element whose animation you want to remove. This could be a text box, a photo, a shape, or a grouped object. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box and handles around it. If you accidentally select the wrong thing, just click elsewhere on the canvas and try again. Precise selection helps ensure you change only what you intend. With the element selected, look up toward the top toolbar. You should see an option labeled Animate. Click that. This is where Canva controls motion settings. As soon as you click Animate, a panel will open on the left side of your screen. This panel lists all the available animation styles and options that may be applied to the selected element. If the element already has animation, you'll see that style highlighted. Now, go to the bottom of that left panel. There, you'll find the button that says Remove Animation. Click that button. The moment you do, Canva removes the motion effect from the selected element, returning it to a static state. Nothing else about the element changes. Its color, size, font, and position stay exactly the same. You've simply turned off the movement. If you don't see the Remove Animation button, it usually means the selected element didn't have an animation applied to begin with, or the selection isn't on the correct object. In that case, double-check that you've clicked the exact element that was moving. The process is the same every time. Select the element, click Animate in the top toolbar, and then use Remove Animation at the bottom of the left panel. That's all there is to it. Repeat the same steps for any other elements in your design that still have animation. When you're done, your project will be static, making exports and presentations more predictable and easier to control. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your Canva project quickly and confidently.